Oh, right in the back. Look out. He slams it down and didn't like one bit of it.
Led up as a team and as a pitcher. And very rarely do you ever see Chris Davis get it.
Well, Trevor Bauer, when he was taken out of the game, turned and I don't know where he threw that ball.
Well, I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing. I know one thing. His skipper is not happy.
To Bregman, just 23 years old, and that's down toward the corner. Puig on the move, off his glove, and out of play.
This is great acceleration, great dive, and you can see just off the end of his glove.
And that, you think, was Gomez absolutely losing it in the dugout. And there's more. And now he's got sore knuckles on the other hand.
Wanted the outside corner, didn't get it. And pinwheels in frustration.
Wow, look at that pitch. Yes, that was definitely a strike. He catches the corner.
This could be the one.
There it is, number one, the first ejection as a Cubs manager for Lou Piniella, and he is really letting Mark Wegner have it. Just kicked dirt on him.
Wow. I don't think that phone's going to work anymore. It's like he didn't get somebody by mistake with those cuts.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Walk people.
High fly ball deep center. Going back Springer. Still back. Still back. Still back. See ya. A 3-run home run for Sanchez. He just punched himself in the face. Wow. I'll tell you what, if you met the guy now, you'd never think he could act like that.
Squeezes on. The bunt is down. The run scores. And Dibble throws the ball away. The Suns on the second.
And Torrey very frustrated. We saw his frustration in his last at bat, now throwing batting gloves. We saw Torrey's frustration in his final at bat last night, and he's not done yet.
Otto realizes he's been ejected, and here he comes. And the question is, does he bump the umpire? Oh, no, that's not good.
Ryan Price, try as he might, could not keep Votto away.
The fat part of the bat and fired into foul territory near Piazza. Obviously, Piazza didn't mean to do that. My gosh, that's a blatant act. Foolish, foolish.
Is checked in at 240. So they make the move and look at Ethier. Get it out, son. One away.
Now 2-2. This is going to be trouble. It's going to be a hit. Look at Clayton.
From not getting the fastball.
Clayton Kershaw just threw the ball away and into the dugout.
That's the reason why it's in, Michael. And Joe is gesturing that ball was on the ground.